going to talk about multiplying rational expressions. So we're going to multiply just like we do fractions. So just as a reminder, if I had 4 over 9 times 3 over 2, there are a couple things I could do. I could multiply straight across. Why are you there? Thank you. Multiply straight across. 4 times 3 is 12 over 18. And then I'd have to reduce, right? These can both be divided by 6. I'd be left with 2 over 3. So this is a totally adequate way to do this, except sometimes I get really big numbers. So instead of doing it this way, what I'm going to do is I'm going to think about what I can go ahead and simplify before I multiply. What I mean by this is, can 4 be divided by 2? Yeah, 4 is the same as 2 times 2, so this can cancel, and I would have one of these 2's canceled. I'd be left with a 2. 9 is the same thing. 9 is 3 times 3, and so I can cancel one of my 3's, and I'm be left with 2 over 3. See how I got the same answer, but this way I wrote out the factors, canceled what I could, and then multiplied. That's exactly what we're going to do here. We're going to write out the factors, cancel, and then multiply. So if I'm looking at my first fraction, this is a trinomial with a lead coefficient of 1, so we're going to go ahead and factor that. Two numbers that multiply to get me 1, but add to 2 would be 1 and 1. X minus 3 is already factored. So that's multiplied by, this guy is a perfect square, difference of squares. So I'll have x plus 3, x minus 3, and x plus 1 is already factored. So now what can I cross cancel? I can cancel an x plus 1 and an x minus 3. So I'm left with x plus 1 times x plus 3, or x squared plus 4x plus 3. All I did was I multiplied to get my polynomial. And that's all we're doing. Okay, so we're taking what we know about fractions and we're applying it to polynomials.